We legit just pulled over. An old man was laying on the ground. Cuts all over, right?
Blood all over my shirt.
Blood all over her shirt, and she has to change her shirt. She already did. And then, not even too far, a car crash. Legit.
Look at this shit.
2 seconds after that. Look at this shirt.
Look.
Like, it was worse, but she just cleaned it out. What the fuck happened in less than 5 minutes?
Are you gonna clean it later?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why the bag.
Let's begin now.
Float away, but that ain't me anymore. But I don't mind if I sell my soul to get a song on the radio. Credit cards on my student loan, that's so millennial. Do you remember how it feels to be young? Do you remember we could be anyone? But I miss the view from the floor of your room. September can't wait too soon. Motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Remember cutting class, we was smoking chill. It was only gym and lunch, we thought it was real. I was even feeling math, I ain't even care. Just to be around you made it worth it. I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. I remember at the prom you was perfect. I remember you were walking on graduation day. I never got the chance to say.
There's a beat next to you.
But I remember all the
I'm just
time
fucking
we
with you.
spent. And I remember you were really my friend. And I remember when they all looked alike. Now it's crazy how they all went away. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Yeah, baby.
That San Francisco pigeon.
Yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Do you remember we could be anyone?
Taking a nap.
I miss the view from the floor of your room. September can't wait too soon. Do you remember how it feels to be young? It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah.
So what time is it right now?
11:12 p.m.
11:12 p.m.
I'm actually not tired. Like, surprisingly, like...
And what's the plan, though? Like, Walker is taking us somewhere, and we have no idea where we're going.
Yeah, and he said we're supposed to arrive at like 3:15 in the morning. So we're pulling an all-nighter.
Mm-hmm.
We're high on caffeine.
Legit high on caffeine.
We went to the bathroom, we felt great. This road trip is amazing.
But we have no idea where we're going.
Yeah,
Legit.
I'm actually
We
really
have
surprised.
no idea. Absolutely no idea.
I'm really excited because like we had like this plan to go to like Redwood National Park.
National Park, yeah.
Yeah, and now we're not going, and so it's like an actual road trip. Like we have no destination. Like
Only Walker knows. Only Walker knows where we're going. Where are we going? My thoughts. Like, San Fran, Los Angeles, or maybe another cool place.
Maybe Sacramento, the capital.
Yeah, maybe someplace we don't know. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. Pumping gas.
Ugh. Oh my god. Yeah, find my chips because I need to eat while I'm driving.
So I want to eat.
Yeah.
Pick a little ball.
Nappy time across the Golden Gate Bridge. Perfect. Good night, guys.
Okay,
A nice 3 hour. Oh, blue slug bug.
You can't. Walker already called that.
Yeah, but they didn't see it on the video, so.
Well, sucks for them because he got it.
Huh?
Let's go.
I win.
Bro. We're in Cali. At a gas station.
What time is it? What time is it?
44. We found out the surprise.
Blue one.
Oh,
dang
it! He got a slug bug.
We found out what the surprise is.
We're going to San Fran! Oh, but we're so tired and we have, 2 more hours till the rest stop at Golden Gate Bridge.
Dude, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the sunset's gonna be so pretty.
Oh my god.
It's gonna wake us, it's gonna blind us.
We'll be there soon.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Drop top, how we rollin' down on Collin South Beach. Yeah, look like Kelly rollin', this might be my destiny. She want me to eat it, I guess dinner's on me. I got you, know I got the sauce like a fucking recipe. She just wanna do it for the grand. She just want this money in my hand. I'ma give it to her when she dance, dance, dance.
You're gonna hold that the whole
She
way.
gon' catch a Uber.
I'll hold it as long as my hands able to.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Yo, bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. I think you got the wrong impression about me back. Just cause they heard where I'm from, they think I'm crazy. Okay, well maybe just a little crazy. Cause I admit I'm crazy about that lady, yeah. Finger to the world, let's fuck you, baby. I've been slaving, run the pussy cause I'm running out of patience. No more waiting, no, no, bouncing like a yo-yo. Living life on fast forward, but we fucking slow-mo, yeah, yeah. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
A nice nature piss.